Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Yo, it's a beautiful day. The selling point of this place is just the view. There's a hammock there. But yeah, I'm gonna head down to that balcony thing. I did promise myself that I'd go, try to take a morning swim. And, just walking down there. When things come to my head and I try to share them, I will share them with you. For example, this morning I was reading through some comments. Of late, I don't really read a lot of comments all the time now because, again, some people say some crazy stuff. But anyway, I was reading a comment and the person said, something like, I'm only watching this video because Mako is in the video, and something about me being narcissistic. Now, for me, it's okay. Like, I know myself. If you check my Instagram, there's probably like only 2 pictures of me. For those who don't know what narcissistic means, narcissism is just when someone is just so in love with themselves, like they want to see themselves all the time. Now, I guess for me, there is an appearance of narcissism because like I'm a vlogger, so like here I'm talking to you. You guys want to see who you're talking to, especially when I'm narrating certain things. But the point I'm trying to make is, guys, for me here, it's not a problem anymore because no matter how many dislikes I might get on a video, there are far more likes that outweigh it. No matter how many negative comments that I get on a video, there is far more positivity that I'm getting on the channel. Now, what I want you guys to do, whenever you have good people in your life, meaning persons who you know are brilliant, smart, kind, loving, big them up on today. When you see them sometimes, tell them that you love them. Tell them how smart they are. Let them know how good they have been doing for you in your life. You know what I'm saying? Because there are going to be persons out there who are going to be throwing negative things at them. And trust me, these things sometimes get those persons so down. So when you throw more love out there, those persons are going to have a lot more energy to continue. Again, for me, it's good here because no matter how much bad people say, I got a lot of love from you guys. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys the view here. Oh, I can't wait for this one.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
Alright guys, so pre this, which is cool. I don't know if you guys might have seen from the drone shots, but up above I could see that guy, which I wasn't sure what it was, but apparently it might be a snorkeler who is like diving for stuff or shooting stuff or whatever, and he has like something on the back that he's pulling, or maybe he can throw the fish into it. I don't know. That's dope. But anyway, I'm gonna go swim, guys. It's a vibe here. So it's kind of funny, like how in life sometimes we kind of prize our possessions. Like for example, this phone here, it's an iPhone XS, and we prize the possession, meaning like we don't want to put it in the water because we're so worried that it will break, when really that's what it was built for, to like go in water. Well, not very deep water. So today I'm gonna use it. Hopefully, you know, it doesn't break, so I can get you guys some underwater footage. I do have a GoPro, but it's kind of old. It's not the best footage. I think the iPhone will be better. So I'm gonna try it out. Hopefully it doesn't break, because we know how connected we are to our devices. But let's try it. Alright, so as you guys can see, you can literally see straight down into the water. That's how clear the water is. And some parts, like here, is even clearer. Some people are there doing some water sports or something like that, but just go a bit further out. Alright guys, so that was a pretty decent swim, just to get some salt water in my body. Some people say it's good for you, so I just did that. I forgot to show you guys over here. There's a little cave type of thing there where you can just sit down and yeah, read a book, go on the hammock, and check out the really amazing Jamaica view. Yeah, awesome, man. Anyway, birthday girl, what did you say about the Lobster Dave last night?
It's like if anybody knows about Little Ochi, go check that vlog out.
Yeah.
Like this is a big Ochi. Like, them reach, like it was so good and fresh, and it was amazing.
Exactly. It's not like Hellshaw, so don't go there expecting like Hellshaw smoky flavor from the food fight type of thing.
It's not like that.
But the food is good, like yo.
And I'm a picky eater, and I thought literally everything on my plate was good, because we had shrimp, conch, fish, and lobster, and literally everything was good. Like it was so good.
Hey. You would have had me fucked up like that guy would say, Jesus made me ball out, or whatever his thing was. That guy. Or remix.
As you guys can tell, say we gotta eat some breakfast though. Not Jamaican breakfast, so people will always try to roast me on that, but yeah.
I'm roasting you because you're not having Jamaican breakfast.
We live in Jamaica, so everybody feels it.
No, everything was right. Okay.
Yeah. Right. Paco. Wow.
I don't need no ice. Oh.
Me neither.
I just wanted like 2 cubes. 2 cubes? Yeah, 2 cubes. 2 cubes of chicken. 2 cubes.
I'm not ghetto. Bye.
No, sir. I can't manage. I'm so tired from all the laughing. God, I'm having too much fun. That's how it should be done. Look at you. Hey, baby. That's what's up.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, man.
Unruly.
You know, every time when I go to a restaurant, I always watch for that.
Pass some more milk for me, babe. Pass me out to the fridge.
Oh God, poor Steven can't be eating breakfast.
He was just in the fridge.
No, sir. You want knife, then you don't want to wash, then you want to wash, then you want to dry. Then no, sir, you want juice, then you want cube.
So we've been waiting for a minute, but it's for the glow up.
Hey. New girl with his hey. I really do build it. Hey. Wait on it.
Alright, so we've been trying to get ready for this event, but you know, women take a while to get ready. Huh? Light set away, man. Yeah, but we just there, so I'll wait. Oh, about the phone, when I put in the water, it wasn't charging for a second, which is kind of cool. It was telling me like something like, yo, it's detecting water, so give it time to dry, but it's dried now, so it's charging, which is good. So I'll be able to bring the drone to FOF so I can give you guys an overhead shot as to like how many persons are there, or just what the vibe might be like. Hopefully I can fly it. And yeah, hopefully I'm supposed to meet with my subscribers again today, because I asked him to bring down something for me, which is really cool that he did. So I'm gonna go pick that up as well. And yeah, we're just out here trying to pre-game, you know, get ready for this whole event and thing. For me, my sole purpose of going to the event is really to try to learn how to capture like an event vibe a little bit better as a vlog, you know, see how other persons are enjoying themselves, and maybe if you come to Jamaica you can try going to FOF. Alright, now I have to wait, might as well I try to do this. Better start, yeah? Alright guys, there was a subscriber I said I would link up with, and this is him right here.
What's going on, guys?
Yo, it's a blessing, bro.
Yeah, man.
Is it me? He even got some what you call the thing again? Oreos for Judah. But he came through with it. Yo, pleasure.
Yeah, man.
But you leaving on Monday?
We're leaving Monday, yeah. Going back to Kingston and just heading straight out. So
yeah,
I'm here for Frenchman's Weekend.
Frenchman's Weekend?
Yes,
when does that start? Tomorrow?
It started today.
Today?
First party was at 5 a.m. we go back at 5 o'clock.
Wow.
5 to 2, so.
Alright, cool. Yo, much blessings, yo.
Yeah, man. So we link again.
Fam.
Alright.
Alright guys, so we just got to the Festival of Fallout's venue, so I'm gonna end that vlog here. Remember, 3 things: love, nature, adaptation. Always remember, keep the link. And if you want to see the next video, you know where I'll be posting it.